to the performers for their wonderful prayer dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, after setting a graceful beginning to this wonderful evening, it is now time to formally welcome our esteemed guests and audience. To extend a heartfelt welcome on behalf of the entire Mother Teresa School family, I feel proud to invite our student leader who truly represent confidence, responsibility and excellence. Please put your hands together as we welcome Hina Markam, the head girl of our school, to deliver the welcome speech and warmly greet our respected dignitaries, parents, teachers and dear friends.
Good evening to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure and pride to welcome you all to the annual day function of Mother Teresa High School, Borgaon for the academic year 25-26. Today is a joyful occasion where we come together to celebrate learning, achievement, culture and values. Our school, inspired by the noble life and teaching of Saint Mother Teresa, continues to strive towards nurturing young minds with compassion, discipline and a spirit of service to humanity. This annual day is not just a celebration of talent, but a reflection of our students' holistic growth throughout the year. The theme of this year's annual day, altruism, selfless care and dedication, beautifully echoes the values we uphold at Mother Teresa High School. It reminds us that true education lies in kindness, empathy and the willingness to serve others without expecting anything in return, values that our students try to live by every day. We are deeply honored as our chief guest for the day is Honorable Mr. Neelkant Tekam, MLA of Keshkal constituency. We extend our warm and respectful welcome to our President, His Excellency Mar Joseph Kolamparampil, CMI, whose guidance blessings have always been a strong pillar for our institution. I request Jai Kishan Sahu of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to Reverend Father. We are privileged to welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Rupendra Netam, CEO, Janpad Panchayat, Farasgaon, and Mr. Udit Soni, Assistant Block Education Officer. Your presence strengthens our bond with the Education Department and motivates us to achieve higher standard of excellence. I now request Ekta Mandavi and Vasundhara Sinha of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to our guest of honor. Truly honored to welcome Reverend Father Thomas, Vicar General, Catholic Diocese of Jagdalpur, whose gracious presence adds dignity and blessings to this special occasion. I again request Harsh Diwan of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to Reverend Father. We are privileged to welcome Reverend Father Shinod Shinchalos, Catholic Diocese of Jagdalpur, whose support and presence add grace to our special day. I request Urvashi Koram of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to Reverend Father. We feel privileged to welcome Reverend Father Santosh Kothuril, Provincial of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur. Father, your presence adds grace and dignity to this celebration. We are deeply honored to have you with us. I request Jharendra Sahu of class 10th to come forward and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our request to Reverend Father. Extend a warm welcome to our respected special guest, Sarpanch Mrs. Chandrakala Sarkar, whose support and encouragement towards our school are truly commendable. I again request Chetna Sori of class 10th to come forward and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to ma'am. A special and heartfelt welcome to our special guest, Reverend Father Manish Anthony, Education Secretary, whose vision and dedication towards quality education continue to guide us on the right path. I again request Harsh Diwan of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to Reverend Father. With deep respect, we extend our sincere thanks and warm welcome to Reverend Father Philip Abraham, the principal of Mother Teresa High School, whose committed leadership, guidance and constant encouragement inspire both students and teachers to strive for more excellence. I again request Vasundhara Sinha of class 10th to come and present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to Reverend Father. With great respect, we welcome all Reverend Fathers, sisters and members of the management who have been a constant source of guidance and inspiration. A heartfelt welcome to our dear parents and students whose trust, support and encouragement play a vital role in shaping the future of our students. We also warmly welcome our media friends who help in sharing and showcasing our efforts with the wider community, and our police personnel whose presence ensures safety and reflects our strong community partnership. Dear guests, your presence today has added grace and meaning to this celebration. We hope you enjoy the cultural performance prepared with great enthusiasm and dedication by our students. Once again, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone present here. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Gentlemen, as we commence this auspicious evening, we begin with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. This ritual symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the illumination of knowledge, wisdom and prosperity. For lamp lighting ceremony, I humbly invite our dignitaries, staff secretary and head boy to come forward to the stage. We seek God's blessing for a successful and meaningful program.
We are deeply honored to have with us today our chief guest, Honorable Mr. Neelkant Tekam, MLA of Keshkal constituency. Sir, your gracious presence is a great source of inspiration for our students and the entire school community. We are grateful for your constant support towards education and social development. As we have sir with us, I would like to call Shivani Sahu of class 10 to present a small potted plant as a gesture of our respect to our chief guest.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we commence this auspicious evening, we begin with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. This ritual symbolizes the dispelling of darkness and the illumination of wisdom, knowledge and prosperity. For lamp lighting ceremony, I humbly invite our dignitaries, staff secretary and head boy to come forward to the stage. We seek God's blessing for a successful and meaningful program.